Today we will learn how to apply such effects in Adobe After Effects. I will bring the video and leave it on the timeline and come to the Roto Brush tool. Double-click here. Next, select the subject with the Roto Brush tool. See here the selection is out. We will Alt press it and bring the subject. Now we will come to the composition and increase its feather reduction to make it look nicer. We will make a duplicate layer of the video layer. And I will delete the Roto Brush effect of the bottom layer. Between the two layers we will write the text of our choice. I am correcting the color of my writing in this line. You can also correct it if it is random. I'm moving the text here so that the text flows nicely across the side and down the side. Look how beautiful the text is now coming out of the site. We have created the effect. Now we will render the video. To see more such videos, subscribe our channel and stay tuned by giving a like to the video. Thank you.